Hi, this is Jason Culp with North Technologies, and today I am going to run you through the HP's new app for Revit. So the latest firmware gives you the ability to bring in your own control points or create new control points on the fly. One of their recent updates to AutoCAD was to be able to bring in different point styles that actually make them as a text that looks like a point, so we can have various point styles. You can also still bring in your points as CAD points so that you can use them as control. Also, they've given you the ability to draw line work. This line work can be used for obstacles inside of Revit without having to export out and do all that work in AutoCAD. This is a big step considering the fact that Revit, usually we have to have families, which are comparable to blocks in AutoCAD, to be able to insert these things. Now you'll notice I can go ahead and I can pick these control points, and then I can just assign them to the category that they go into, which is control points. You'll see them pop up there. Also, what you can do is you can select them from the list. So you'll see we had lines in there. We selected lines. You have to select which line group because you can have multiple ones, and then they pop up. It just creates a DXF file just like it would in AutoCAD. I open it up here in AutoCAD and you can kind of see they're on the correct layers, and that's it. If you have any questions regarding this app or anything to do with HP, give us a call here at Norm. We'll be happy to help you out.